Look what we got back. We didn't have any geese last year. Got some this year though. At least there's one here. They got to be doing a nest because they wouldn't be tolerating me otherwise. So here's the situation. I think this is the female over here. And I walked past them twice now and they haven't flown. So they're planning on nesting here. And you come all the way back over here. And there's the bigger one. He's probably the male. So hopefully they nest here. I had one nest. I had a pair nest last year, 2 years ago. And then last year nothing. So we'll see what happens. Those are Canadian geese.
You've got a great and sprat dogs. You've got a great deal of your garden. A good non-dig rice plot gives you 6,000 pounds of rice per acre. Reed fruit you oak. And that's easy. You know. So how much rice do you need a year?